White up Wagwan. It's your boy Singh Zima, and this is Rachel Exhibit's birthday vlog. She didn't want to take up the camera.
Birthday vlog?
Well, yeah, guys, we're going for sushi with moms. You know, we chilling in traffic right now, listening to music, vibing. She's returning all of her calls because she decided she doesn't want to go to work today.
No, I ain't going to work today.
So
no work for me today.
we're going to Sora, and we're going to have some nice sushi. Mama, you have anything in mind that you want to order already?
Yeah, I want to order at least one item of everything on the menu.
Right. That's like fish, salmon, right? Fish, salmon, shrimp,
right?
Right, lobster, everything, crab, the whole works.
Right.
Okay. All right. It's your birthday.
So no driving and vlogging.
I
So
wasn't
we're
driving.
vlogging.
It was the thing moving in the background. I wasn't actually driving, guys.
So we're out here in the street. You don't know what outside in them.
Right.
Hey, shorty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party. Are we gonna party?
You want to go on
More than likely, we're going to party.
Okay, party.
Yeah, I have a date later
Wait,
on. Didn't you just see me get a phone
Call
call from my date?
Your date is picking you up?
My date is picking me up, yeah.
Okay, alright.
You have a problem with that?
No, no problem. It's not my business. It's your business.
Yes, I have a date and the food done order already.
Right.
Food order already now?
Yeah.
The whole works.
That's the whole setup and everything.
The whole setup ready. Yeah, so this is my lunch date.
The
early vibes, early settings.
Oh, so wait, am I the side piece, or I feel like the side
No,
piece?
you're just on slot. You're in your schedule. And you're sticking to your schedule. You like that?
Okay, fine.
He's sticking to his schedule.
Right.
He got the lunch hour, honey. He's got the lunch hour. Yeah, and he's right on time.
Right. So how do you feel being the age that you are now? I don't want to reveal the age, but how do you feel?
You can't reveal my age now.
No, I'm not.
Not again.
No.
This is not what I'm posting out. I'm just telling you. This is my private
Personal
dialogue.
vlog type.
This is my personal vlog, right? So
Right.
this is like how it's fam now. Yeah, let me show them my clothes, fam. Mommy, you look at my clothes. Look at your hot daughter, hot girl road, hot girl. Yes. Yeah, for I'm a private person.
Right.
This damn YouTube thing. I have to reserve something for me.
Right.
You know all my business out there. There's some stalkers out there on the road, you know?
That's very true. Maybe the person in front of us or behind us know that it's us in the van and they're just like free.
Exactly. I don't want people to know my business like that. Yeah, I like all of right here.
She
So
praying that I never
expensive.
leave
Turn
her.
on the music. Turn on the music.
So she love a drugs dealer.
So she have a nice t-shirt. Blue skinny jeans, model sneakers. In filter splash, that man is sweeter. The Black 40 expert. What's it in her face, that's her. Never be a loser, number one first. Them fool you not drink.
Emergency landing in Rocky Point, Clarendon.
Recharge phone. Play to scratch with the code.
Wait there.
Play to scratch with the code.
What's popping? You know, we're just videoing anything, you know, anything that post.
Welcome back. It's your girl Rachel Exhibit, and we're out here in the beautiful Sunshine Island of Jamaica.
Right.
And today we are at Sora Japanese restaurant.
We already
We're having
started
some
eating.
Awesome sushi.
This is a part of the vlog.
This is a part of the vlog. I just want to say welcome back, but guess what? It's your girl's birthday.
Right.
We're gonna party.
I've had sushi so much in the past couple of weeks. It's ridiculous. And it's so expensive.
The copyright.
The best part is, I'm not paying the bill today.
Right. What's the point of making money if you're not spending it, you know?
I just
Alright, what did you order first of all?
ordered shrimp and shrimp.
Inside
Shrimp?
of the yeah, right.
And shrimp.
Alright, so I ordered personally a Philly roll,
So good.
which is salmon with cream cheese, but it's really good. It tastes nice. This is probably the best raw sushi that you can have. The salmon, like this is just salmon and rice, but like the salmon is kind of overpowering with this, but with this now you get like a lot of different flavors and mixtures involved, so that's why I prefer this one. Alright, what do you prefer so far, the
Give it
shrimp or
that-
the salmon?
I prefer this.
I think with sushi though, like it's more of a dessert to me.
Dessert?
Meaning
Don't
it's not
forget
a full
it.
meal. No, it's not a full
Hey,
meal.
no, this is
No,
our
you order enough.
This is our first round, you know?
Right. Right.
I can't forget the first time I ate all of this and I almost died. You remember?
That was ice cream. I remember. So
I
guys,
thought it was avocado.
yeah.
Crushed
So
avocado.
I brought mommy sushi one time, and she thought that
I thought this was
what's that like, the wasabi. She thought the wasabi was avocado, so she
And I
was
had the
she was
entire
going to
thing.
have it at the end. So she eat all the sushi without the avocado, and then she take everything in one bite. And if
One
you know
bite,
wasabi,
I was gonna die.
if you know wasabi is super spicy. So
I
you
felt like I
can't-
was gonna pass out. The thing fly up instantly in my brain, and I felt like I was gonna have a seizure. Because I had the entire ball, you know. I was traumatized.
You gotta have a tiny amount.
So can you imagine me? I was like, oh, I leave this for last. I'm saving the best for last. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Alright, yo, you know we
To
can
my
actually do
channel
the truth or drink
at
while
Rachel
we're
Exhibit.
consuming. Oh, subscribe to my mom's channel at Rachel Exhibit right now.
Subscribe, guys.
So we go to truth or drink / truth or eat. Because I have the questions. Guys, subscribe to my mom's channel at Rachel Exhibit.
Let me try here. Open your mouth.
Subscribe to Rachel Exhibit on YouTube. Link will be in it. You want to try mine? Try it.
There's nothing else. I want these stuff.
What? Why are you putting it in my
Because I'm
sauce?
gonna You don't eat? Why you acting like you're a 5-year-old? Eat the damn thing.
So what's the favorite thing you like about me?
That you can take me out on a date like this and I can order anything and he pays. And on my money I pay. Pay the bill. My favorite thing,
In your partner?
I can talk to you about anything. I can talk to him about anything at all. Anything. When I can deal with it or not.
I think that's the same with me still.
When I can take it or not, you ever tell him. Close.
Listen, like
Close.
how the sushi wrap up. No space. No little breathing space.
We're close now because now you can relate to being an adult. Him couldn't appreciate me all along. We need to order more food. Can we get a repeat?
Okay,
Can we get a repeat? You know what
so
we're ordering for?
no. Philly
Oh.
roll, the regular salmon roll, and that shrimp and shrimps.
And shrimp.
Do you believe in oral sex?
Of course. But you can't post that. I believe in it can't exist.
What's your favorite sex
The one that
position?
my favorite sex position. You can tell you like that.
Hey,
On
you say?
YouTube.
Hey, you say? You should have
You
one
actually want to
here.
know that?
These are questions from Instagram.
I manage a team. I'm supposed to be an angel.
I'm leaving that to you.
I can drink, right?
Yeah.
You promise I decent girl. Calling Roma good.
So,
I don't kiss and tell.
alright, first time getting pulled over.
Pull over meaning what? From the
Police.
Police? I don't remember.
The first time getting pulled over was actually after curfew, but I never told you. When the police
Tell me,
left
but you
off.
never remember. You told me
What you doing?
45. Mommy? I'm just trying to let you know.
That wasn't the first time, you know, because I didn't get pulled over. I got pulled over in the middle of last year, like long time ago.
Okay. Why? It don't affect me kind of.
No, yeah, I didn't. There's nothing came out of it. Like we're just chilling.
They said they want to double the water.
Yeah, the
Want to
same
repeat.
thing.
So the nigiri, the shrimp and shrimp.
Whatever.
And
it was
the
before,
Philly, yeah,
You got money?
yeah. I have my card.
Never done the money today.
I have my card. It's fine. I have my card.
Borrow from the bank. Why don't you? The money cash card, not credit card. Excuse me. Your money card is a swipe. Swipe?
So I'm putting. What's the age you lost your virginity?
Very late.
At Pauline.
Very late, you know.
At Pauline Carrington.
Mommy, gonna watch this? Mommy's late, yeah. Oh, whatever you thought
No,
of
no.
me
What's
was
the
correct.
age? The age.
Late about 18, 19. Close to near when you were born.
So you only had sex for like 2 years before you got.
Yeah, 2 to 3 years. And then I breathe. That's funny.
Have you ever helped someone cheat?
No.
Like a virgin or
No,
like
that's a man thing.
cheating is a man thing?
Yeah.
No, guys and girls cheat for all manner of
Girls
reasons.
cheat, but my friends don't cheat, so I don't.
You don't really
I never
even have
I
friends
don't,
like-
right. Duh. How often do you masturbate? I don't want to know that, so I'm not ask. Tell each other what was the last sexual position you all had.
Alright, let's go.
No, because first of all, you're supposed to be a virgin.
I'm a virgin.
And you know I'm not a virgin.
So what's the last sex of
You
it?
like take charge.
You ever get handcuffs? Like handcuffs or a
I'm
rope?
not, I'm
And...
not telling you that.
No, I'm listening. It's fine.
No, that's YouTube. YouTube and you different. Who tell you, but I'm not telling them. You think girl fool, girl no fool. When we're having a private conversation, I'll give you the scoop.
I don't want to know private.
You don't want to know?
I don't want to know.
Your friends want to know, but you don't want to know?
I don't business. Alright, the thing is, like, I think whatever happens in the bedroom after the door is closed or whatever, that is your business. That's not my business. That
Right. But they want to know, I wonder why. It's a Long Island iced tea for me.
But I don't really business, you know.
You don't business.
It's
Are you
your
afraid to
business.
know?
No. It's your
You're
business.
afraid.
So you can tell me?
But are you comfortable with me telling you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
And you won't feel no
Well,
way like if you see me in the
hold
house.
on.
You're
No,
sure? I
I'm
can't tell you
fine.
anything.
What position was I conceived in?
You know already. I tell you that's one already.
Exactly, so I'm not uncomfortable with it. It's just kind of funny to know, say, yo, like, you know, this is what you prefer, this is what you don't prefer. Because it's not a conversation that we normally have. We usually talk about, like, money, finances, regular day-to-day foolishness. So it's like, right.
You know, like when some children would say, I don't like my parents kissing, it's so gross.
I don't business. I don't really see you guys as like an authoritative figure. I more see you guys as just like, I more see you guys in a social setting, like we just socialize in the house. You get me? Not that I don't respect you guys, because I definitely respect you guys. It's just like,
But
if you're not doing anything.
Up recently you were like, you guys are so corny or...
Oh no, but that's just jokes though, isn't
Oh,
it?
it's jokes,
Yeah,
okay.
it's not nonsense. Like I don't really
You
business.
guys are
and
so
I can-
corny.
Yeah, cause
Oh,
them
you
in
guys-
the living room hugging up, and I'm like, what the hell? If you see a
guys are
couple, if you see a couple in public, you're not gonna be like, oh yo, that's so corny. I'm just very vocal about how I feel. You get me?
So you don't really mean we're corny.
No. It's just the fact that you guys are just there.
So what would you prefer me to not show?
I don't business. That's the
Oh, you know,
I don't
it looks like a
business.
business to me though. Oh, you guys are so corny.
No, I'm just saying, cause we're in the kitchen and in the car.
So how does it make you feel? Because they usually say that parents influence how children are brought up in terms of...
Now, alright, you see, because of that, now I may not have a problem with PDA, public display of affection.
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm with somebody, I'm going to like kiss them in public or hug them up in public. Maybe some people will be like accustomed to that, so they feel away. But because you guys were so affectionate when you guys were together, I guess it kind of just led to me being that type of person. So I don't really feel it doesn't bother me, because again, it's what I'm used to. That's what I grew up seeing. Like, you guys are always very, you know, loving to each other when you guys are around each other. So yeah, there's no problem. I don't know.
So it affects you in some sort of way.
I think psychologically,
Yeah,
long
indirectly.
term, but yeah, indirectly. Like, I wouldn't specifically say, oh, because of, you know, this is
But I
why.
don't really feel cute about it. Like if I see you guys, I'm like hurrying up to say no.
Don't do
Don't
whatever.
touch me, no,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
no.
That's what I'm saying.
I
Like,
mean, I've always felt.
but that's
very
good though,
around
because I
guys.
feel like a lot of people are afraid to be affectionate to their significant other, like especially in public or when they're around people.
Yeah.
So, have you ever given up on a dream, and what was it?
No,
What about art? Because I know you stopped art for a while.
I was gonna say that, but giving up mean I never did it. But I'm doing it.
You're doing
So
it
I'm
now.
Giving up, yeah.
So is there
Because you
anything?
kind of take a hiatus from it, focusing on family, building financial security.
Mhm.
I was just focusing
Focus on that.
I was just focused on that. But you know, maybe somewhere in the back of my mind I was wondering, Maybe that could have also assisted me in getting to my target.
Time.
I didn't have a market one. I didn't have a market.
For art.
I had the talent, but I did not have the market, the socialization, the background, the people, and even the technology. The technology has
Wasn't
made
there
so
at
much
the
of a
time.
difference. Timing is everything, but I don't think I ever gave up.
Yeah, because you always mention it throughout life. Because you always say, yo,
All the
you want to
time.
make a painting this week, you want to draw
All
this
the
week.
time, like
So.
consistently right through.
Right.
But it took a backbench because of family, because of children.
Whatever reasons. I respect that.
But it
For
was
me,
always there.
I wanted to become a pilot, and I don't know if you remember when I used to
remember.
always say like I always
remember you
wanted to
wanted-
fly around the world. Da, 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 da. But the thing is, growing up, I realized that being a pilot takes up a lot of time. As much as the money is nice, the time that you get away from your family is not worth it to me, and I prefer to spend time with my family, my significant other, whatever the case is. So that's why I decided to the piloting thing is not fun. But yeah, piloting was my original thing, but then over time I realized it didn't make any sense because I'm a family oriented person. So
Thank you, Heaven. So the first round was appetizer. Yeah, one camera back down. You know, there's a video on my channel with mommy with sushi.
you guys don't have Picasso?
No
Where's
Picasso.
the Picasso?
No Picasso.
No 19 crime.
No. No man, you should serious enough.
But she's the reason why we drink alcohol like how we do still.
Listen,
Like,
I'm telling you.
I'm convinced.
And the food.
And the
everything.
food, everything.
The food and Pauline. But you know, earlier she called me this week and she's like, Rach, you wanna go and have sushi for your birthday? I'll send you. I'll send you. She ready to send the money to my account a long time to eat all the sushi in the world today.
No,
Thank you,
because she
mommy.
knows still. She knows.
She's like, Rich, I'll send you. You wanna go there? Sushi. Road to 100k.
Right.
Subscribe to Singh.
Must
And
get
now
to
you're watching the
150
video and you
still.
don't subscribe. Jay said to bring some for him, you know. What do you think he'll like?
This.
Okay.
So I'll leave this.
What about this?
This is fresh. This is more
You
fresh.
love this. You need that. Okay.
I'll finish this because as I like, this is more flavorful and things. So.
This is good. What is the one thing? Other than my sexual position. That's crazy.
Have you ever been skinny dipping?
Okay.
Same.
Where?
About the place?
Oh. Yeah, you got country and everything.
Among the both of us, who avoids taking baths?
You?
What do you mean?
You avoid taking bath.
I bathe like every day.
No. You're not used to it yet. You spend more time not bathing than bathing. It's not bathing now.
Which sun do you prefer?
With song?
Sun. Near
What do you
J.
mean? I can't choose.
Give a reason. Give a solid reason why you can't choose.
A solid reason?
Yeah, you can't just say you can't choose just because.
Because one was born first. And one was born last.
That's not a
So the
reason.
first one special and the last one special.
Because.
The first one opened up my womb. And the last one lock it. You want more special than that? Yes, no more special than that. I mean, in terms of the personality of the children, other than being a thing that open and close my womb, there are two separate people who I appreciate equally. So I just can't choose. Can I just say 50-50? No, I'm not 50-50, equal 100.
Fine.
You know, like I guess some parents can choose.
Have you ever thought about abortion when you found out you're pregnant with
With
me?
you, yeah. So, everybody know that. I did everything in the world just to don't breed.
And
And
it's
then
still.
when I finally breed, I tried everything except abortion. And you still come.
That's not my
It was
fault.
earth shattering, you know.
I can only imagine though.
It was earth shattering for me. You know, like people say, oh, I planned my first good son lie. I never planned mine. I And not by accident. That's all them want to know.
Them just want to know about your sex life still.
Really? What me taking? So I don't want to know. Yeah, somebody want to date me?
You can ask them.
They can manage. Yeah, it's going to be a threesome. You can manage? 3.
So does it have to be
It's more than
does it have to be a
threesome,
female?
3, 1, 4, 5 some. What would that work?
Where do 5
1,
come
2,
from?
3, 4. I have 4 men in my life. 4.
But
I
Jay
have
is
4
not.
man. I have 3.5 man. And another one? Oh God. They're going to be stressed out.
So if
Yeah,
you
manage
guys
that?
can manage the stress that comes along with
Of
dating
course so.
a married woman with 2 kids.
No, those kids. Man, children.
with
Man.
with a man and a half kids.
A man and a half, right?
Then I mean shoot your shot, but she not gonna respond still. You know you're not eating the soup. You're not using chopsticks properly, right?
Not anymore from I realize it's separated. You know?
The last bite. Right.
Mm, mm, mm.
Not the phone.
The office is calling me. Don't call me now.
Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to Rachel Exhibit's channel. Link will be in the description below. Tune in next time for the next
Want sleep.
banger video. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Happy birthday again, mommy. We all love right. Right. So yeah, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you guys next time. Love you, mommy.
Love
Right.
you, baby. I gotta say I love you. I love you, honey.
Can't cover the camera still. Right.